Now, students of a school and an organization today expressed their solidarity with farmers in a very unique way. They dedicated a huge T-shirt to the farmers. Now, the cloth and other materials for which were purchased from farmers.
Look at this T-shirt. Isn't it huge? Well, the shirt made of organic cotton measures 34 feet wide and 62 feet long and weighs 100 kgs. Well, the T-shirt has found a place in the Limca Book of Records as the largest ever to be made. Fairtrade, the organization, in association with Trio World School at Kodigehalli in Bengaluru, dedicated this shirt to farmers on the premises of the school. Fairtrade is on a mission to bring urban citizens closer to farmers. The organization buys farm produce directly from farmers at the prevailing market prices. It also promotes organic farming. The farmers are more than happy to be associated with Fairtrade and they have switched over to organic farming.
Interesting thing about this T-shirt is that we use this as a platform to connect the urban Indians and the youth with the issues of the farmers. So we asked schools from all over the country. This is from Goa to Bangalore to Mumbai and Delhi, Calcutta. So we've had students from all over the country write a message in solidarity with the farmers. So we had 5,000 patches made which had messages as well as drawings by the students.
Students of the Trio World School colored the shirt and painted pictures on it. This is the second school in the country to join hands with Fairtrade's initiative.
We are revealing India's largest T-shirt. So this, the special about this T-shirt is, this is a T-shirt which has been collected across the country from all the farmers. It's an organic cotton which has been collected, and through that cotton, so this T-shirt has been made. So if you say what is the specialty about the farmers, so these are the farmers who have been associated with Fairtrade. So if you see today, you know, like we are almost 60% of our country people, we are directly or indirectly, we are dependent on farmers. But unfortunately, which is not a healthy atmosphere for the country.
Several schools in the US and Australia have also joined hands with Fairtrade. Hundreds of farmers who participated in today's program lauded the organization for taking up their cause. Maltesh for News 9, Bengaluru.